Let's take a look at this ogre of an onion and change it to a usable mince. Tip: cold onions make you cry less when chopping, so out the fridge it comes. The key to keeping an onion together is its root, which is this hard piece on the end. Now before we go ham on this onion, on your non-dominant hand you want to claw it up, like this. This protects your fingertips from getting cut while holding the vegetable. Cut right down the center of the onion, including the root, which keeps everything in place. We can easily peel the tough layer off now. Turn the onion and we're going to be cutting vertical cuts just before the root, every little bit or so. Remember to claw up. Now horizontal cut, ideally with a flat hand on top or clawed up from the back. 2 cuts horizontally into the vertical cuts where we just made. We can do this in reverse order as well if you find it easier. Horizontal cuts, then vertical. Now chop down perpendicular to the vertical cuts and you'll have small pieces of onion. I didn't get too close to the root, so I'm repeating my steps. Vertical, horizontal, and perpendicular. Sometimes pieces will be a little larger. Just rock the knife over everything, make sure it's a good size to your liking. You just diced an onion. Great job. Consider giving this video a thumbs up if it's helped you, and consider subscribing.